Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and get it fancy free shipping. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying home, staying safe. Oh yeah, here we go. Prime Day's coming up, so you might want to add this to your wish list. Or if you need some right now. See what this is. Ah, yes. High performance Officeworld. Enjoy quality printing. So these are for like the Canon printer I just unboxed. This is a 6-pack. Take a look inside. Drop you guys down. Here we go. Then we're gonna go to the other office and test these guys out. Whoa. Oh, sweet. These are the double XL ones. Really nice. 281. These are perfect for the Canon printer. The Pixma TS9120. I do believe I did the 2 days ago. Unboxing for the printer. This is the ink you can use it for. Oh yes. Like I said, we're gonna test them out. They got chip and everything. Fancy dancy. Officeworld. So definitely, guys, if you guys need some ink, great company on Amazon. Check out. Like I said, if you guys have a Canon ink, this is the way to go. Great deal also on them too. Now this is a big boy, the black 280X double XL. So we're gonna hop into the computer room office and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are here. We got it right by the Canon printer. We're gonna install the cartridges. Tweak the right there, should be good. We got them there. Officeworld. Check them out, guys. Now I'm going to switch paper because my ink is out. So we got these guys. There we go. Let's do this little dance. There we go. Pop them out like so. Or let's lift them up. There we go. One by one. I'm just surprised how many cartridges this printer takes, but the print quality is amazing on these Canon, I must say. If you guys don't know what to get Father's Day gifts, definitely check the Canon printer out. I'll leave that link down below also. And there we go. Drop up a little bit more. And down. Alright. Hopefully you guys don't fall. There we go. We're going to do this one by one. Got this guy. This is a PB. Peanut butter and jelly time. PB is a purple black, I guess. So thank you guys for watching tonight. Hope everyone's home safe and doing alright. So we got this. There you go. Pop her in here. Got one. That's a good thing. It registers it right away. So Officeworld on Amazon. Like I said, if you guys have the same printer and need a 281, this is a 281 for the Canons. And I do believe they have other ink available for other printers, so just click the link, browse around, and this is the Magenta 281 2XL. Here we go, Magenta. Boom, see that? Oops. Maybe not. See the M right there? It registered, that's a good sign. Everything's rocking. We're going to do a test print and show the true quality of this ink. It should be good to go. I don't need to do no copies or test run. We're going to shoot it on the go. I already got a couple pictures saved up. Here's a blue. Officeworld. Or the cyan. Cyan. Got that beep right there. Boy, oh boy, there's a lot of them though. I'm used to like 3 cartridges. But let's see if it makes a difference. I mean, I think it does. Makes the pictures a lot better. More detailed. Especially if you guys do a lot of family pictures, wedding pictures, baby showers, and all that stuff. And now we have the black triple double XL. So these should last a while. And if you do basic printing, these definitely last you a while. Like just normal like prints or receipts and stuff like that. Labels. Black goes in there. Boom. One more to go. This big guy. It's kind of interesting too. They got 2 black cartridges. So this is a powerful printer and powerful ink from Officeworld. Bada boom, bada bang. Here we go. Let's rock and roll, guys. And boom. And we did it. We did it. Oh. There we go. You might have to re-register it, so I'll probably scan something. Okay. We got them all installed. I don't know if you guys can read it, but it shows what they are. We're gonna got that photo right there. And she's gonna come out from the top loader. And we're gonna just hit the magical print button. This might be good. I mean, I think the photo might be a little dark, so hopefully it looks good. If not, I gotta back up. There we go. I'm gonna print 2 of the photos anyway, so might as well do them on camera for you guys to take a look at Officeworld's ink. But like I said, I'll leave the link down below for the Canon. Excuse my mess, I'm still straightening up my wires and stuff. I gotta tuck them in better and hide them. But been a lot of rearranging things the last few days, so here we go. Something's printing. I should have took the paper already. Any second. Should be done. Oh. That was my fault. I forgot to hit the slot cover. That thing on top in the middle. There we go. Took the paper. See it? There it comes. Yeah, this printer is fast though. Sensitive but really fast, and definitely a good printer to get. It's almost done, guys. It's quiet too. Come on. second. It might look good too. I mean, I just hope the photo's not that dark. I didn't double check it. But yeah, the ink levels are good. I don't know if you guys could tell. But the ink levels are really good. There we go. Guess who it is? Oh yeah, these look really good. Really impressed with the colors. I could see photo came out so far pretty good. Dun 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 dun. Definitely good quality ink right here. More authenticated, seems like the photo with this ink. Oh yeah. For an old photo, came out really good. We're gonna do another print. Mr. Wayne Gretzky. Shibbity. Here we go. See that? Boom. There it goes. Move my big feet out of the way. Excuse me. It's been a long day though. It's already about after 2 a.m. But definitely check these guys out. Officeworld. Shirt is quality. Let's wait till it dries a little bit. I'm gonna go back to the final. Yeah, see, they didn't even take up anything. Really good stuff. Sorry for the long video, but gotta show you guys these ink cartridges in action. Any second. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. There it comes. This is probably a little lighter, brighter photo. So hopefully it looks good. Definitely an older, or maybe late 80s, early 90s. Whenever Gretzky played for the Kings, so I think it was mid-90s. Can't remember much, but somewhere around there. So the photo might look a little different, but I think it will be in good shape though. Any second, and then we'll be done. You guys will have a good night. Hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. And new month is coming up, guys. Oh yeah. Really nice. Don't mind the glare. Yeah. Came out really good. Alright guys, check them out. Officeworld on Amazon Prime. Have a good night. Be safe out there. See you guys soon.